Welcome to another Andrew Marsham Fitness meal prep video. Today we are cooking some Cajun spiced potato wedges along with some salmon and just a side of peas. Excellent basic meal, great source of protein and good fats from the salmon, excellent workout fueling source of carbohydrates from potatoes. And if you want a nutritional freebie come the end of this video, I suggest you stick around and leave a comment at the end. But enjoy this video, let's get into it. This is literally all you need. Some potatoes, I've weighed it 250 grams. Now this salmon is pre-cooked. All I did was put it in the oven with some spices on it. 20 minutes and it was done, good to go. I'll show you the spices in a second, and some peas. That's it, extremely simple, extremely easy. Should have mentioned I need some spices, so I've got garlic, chilli, onion powder, paprika here, salt and black pepper, and some fry spray. So I'm just going to cut them up, put them in a bowl, season them, and then stick them into this tray. Now, see, if I'm cutting up my potatoes, you want to cut them into a wedge shape. So notice how I'm just cutting them into 3 pieces there. So you're getting that good wedge shape. So firstly, you cut it in half, cut it one way, cut it the other, and that's you good to go. I'll show you one from the start here. If you're doing it with a big one, you just do the exact same in a larger scale. One in the middle like that, now like that. Then you get 3 nice wedges, and they're all good to go. In this bowl, also got the peas just in the bowl with some water. I'm going to cover that with cling film, they'll get cooked in the microwave. Easy to go. I'm just going to season these now. So, seasonings have just been poured in. All you need to do is get your hands in about it. Move them about. That's it. Wedges are well coated. Spread them about in the bottom of the pan. Hopefully you can still see this okay. Then I'm just going to spray them again. And that's it. They go in the oven for 8 minutes each side, or 8 to 10 depending how thick they're cut. 8 to 10 should be perfect for that. 8 minutes, flip them, and then while they're cooking it, in the second half of the 8 minutes, I'm going to be sticking on the salmon, but I'll show you that in a minute. So, the wedges have had 10 minutes, one side. All you do is this. I'm going to try and show you on this camera. Just take these out, give it a good shake. Then I'm going to reset the timer for 6 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer for 6 minutes on my phone. Then I'm going to stick the peas on. So the peas are just in water. Stick them in the microwave for 4 minutes, and while the peas are cooking, that salmon has already been cooked, so it takes 2 minutes to heat up. Literally a minute heating up the pan, and then the rest of the remaining 3 minutes from the peas cooking the salmon. It's that easy. So as you can see, the peas are in. 4 minutes, good to go. And this is the salmon. That's all you need to do. 2 to 3 minutes. If it's already been cooked, will be fine. Different if you're cooking it from scratch. The seasonings I used on that were the exact same ones I used at the start of the recipe, with 2 bits of lime, cooked in the oven for 20 minutes, and that was it. But that's that simple meal. I'll show you a photo of it when it's done, and a clip when it's done, and that's it. Simple. That is the finished article. It's got some peas, some salmon, and some potato wedges. Ideal, quick and easy meal. Excellent for a dinner. I cook the salmon ahead of time, then you can just heat it up. Or you could put it in with the wedges and cook it at the same time, to be perfectly honest. It really wouldn't make much difference. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment below. Let me know how you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see any future recipes, please also let me know. But I did say there would be a nutritional freebie for anyone who stuck around to the end. So if you want my flexible dieting presentation that came directly from my private Facebook group for clients only, then somebody leave a comment below saying flexible dieting, and I'll send that across. Hopefully you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.